Good morning. Today's the day. We begin our 5-hour trek to Jaguar Land, which sounds like a freaking Disney park, but that's this private reserve where I'm going to be looking for jaguars. And yeah, it's a 5-hour drive, so not really much to show there, but I'll show you
Está muy lindo. Gracias. ¿Sabes qué parece? Parece de móvil margaritíferos.
Eso te iba a decir, sí.
Es justo lo que les iba a decir.
Ah, ¿verdad?
Alright, this is where we're going to be staying for the next 10 days. Yeah, I'm in a different shirt because it is the second day. We already arrived here last night and we went on a few runs. We saw some tapir, we saw some cool stuff considering it's literally been less than 24 hours since touching base here. But yeah, definitely gonna be showing you guys more footage and stuff. Definitely gonna find jaguars. There's not a doubt in my mind that we won't because of what we've seen so far. Tapirs, coatis, macaws, freaking, and this isn't even like traditional jungle. This is basically someone's like giant ass reserve. But yeah, stay tuned. That's a big one.
Yeah.
Look at the size of this snake, man.
Oh god, you're really huge.
Is it in shed?
Yeah, it's in
Yeah,
shed.
looks like
It's in shed.
that's sick.
Agarra aquí, si quieres, o alguien, y la estiramos.
A ver.
Just watch out guys, because you can strike hard, eh? You want to take a picture?
¿La suelto?
¿Pero quito la cámara?
Sí, sí.
¿Dejé mi cámara? Aquí yo la tengo. Oh.
Yeah, my camera's right behind you too.
Playing dead.
Playing dead. Yeah. Just be really careful guys, because you can fucking... There he goes. Incredible, he plays dead. I never knew that they do that.
Yeah, there's some species that...
Paul.
Sí, sí.
Wow. I thought that was a hognose
Como para
thing
ya no,
specifically.
ya no lo ataquen, ¿no?
Sí, se hace la muerta
Thank
y
you.
suelta un olor a mierda. Y...
Wow. False water cobra. Apparently they play dead.
You killed it.
Oh, he's like, oh, I'm back.
He's okay now.
Wow, ¿me puedo tomar una foto desde allá?
Claro.
Tamaño de este.
Yo sé qué le voy a poner a esa foto.
El viborón de Andrés.
What's going on, guys? So we did it. We saw a jaguar today. This is gonna be kind of a quick one because I kind of gaffed. I didn't have like my GoPro or anything when we saw the jaguar, but we had quite the spectacle. I'll go into it, and I don't know if it's gonna be another video or the next clip, but Bolivia is fucking sick.